Yes, we were discussing about our good values. Correct? No? What is good values? It will increase our personal speciality. Okay? Okay? Yes. What is that good value? Nothing but our personal trait. It will increase our personal trait. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವನ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸುಯೋಗ್. We will tell no, Suyog is very good boy. Suyog is very neat boy. Suyog owns all his responsibility. Suyog will take the responsibility individually. He will do his homework alone. He will keep himself health and hygiene. How? He will cut his nails regularly. He will trim his hairs regularly. Like that, we will tell no. We will give you as an example for the good things to the others. Correct? No. This is nothing but a personal trait or personal upgrades. Okay, ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಈಗ ಸುಯೋ 6 years ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅವರು 16 years ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 26 years ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 36 years ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. If Suyog learned once in a week he want to trim the nails, he will do in his lifelong. Every time the nails will grow no in all ages, that will come to Suyog's mind. I am taking one example. Okay children, it will come to him that every Sunday he need to trim his nails. Correct? This is called a personality. We learn about the responsibility, self-control, then honesty and truth. Today we are going to learn about respect. Already I told you what is respect. We should give respect to our elder ones also, younger ones also. Correct? No? Yes, younger one, how you will give the respect? By showing love and affection. Elder ones, how you will give the respect? By bowing their head, by taking their words as a gratitude, by obeying their orders. Correct? No? ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ, ಎಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ your elders will be more aged than you. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯಂಗ್ ones. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಮ್ಮನ ಕೈಲೇನೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಹರ್ by giving respect. Mama, you take care, I will do this much of works of you. Like that you have to give the respect. If mama scolds you, why you are keeping all your books like this, means you should not give back her words. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ, I am sorry, I will clean it up. This is the respect. Not only your parents or grandparents, any neighbors or any elder ones, including your teacher. If teacher says no, you should not do like this, you have to respect her order. You have to obey her order. Okay? Very good. Then caring and sharing. With whom you will do the caring and sharing? Yes, with your young ones. Correct alva? ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರು ಇರುವಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಏಜ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ? ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್. Okay children, you are all obey no all these things? Yes. As usual, now we will move to our online class. Shall we? Okay. First is English. now what we learned? E family. In the E family we learned the CVC words like that, and long vowel of E. What are those? E and EA we learned. Correct, no? And now day before yesterday we learned A family long vowel words. Okay, long what are those? A I A E. Okay, two family we learned of long family words of A. What are those? Pain, okay, I am taking all examples with the rhyming words and it will make you to easy to keep everything in your mind. Okay, pain, tail, main, sail. Okay, A hyphen E family. Okay, what are those? May, tail, may, fail. So many words are there. Just for your easy convenience, I am taking only the rhyming words of one particular word I am taking. Okay, there will be so many words. Already we learned, no? Yes? Yes, where we learned? In our phonic activity book, you have already done this homework. What are these? AI family words. Jane, page number 9. Open your page number 9. Jane, say, name, pay, made, braid, paint, train. Okay? AE words. Cake, gate, lake, tape, flame, grape, spade. Okay? This you did know. With that, what you learned? Okay, what you learned? They have given making the sentence. I will do two sentences for you. You have to do your own self. I will take the words of this one only. Okay? The first sentence is Jim sailed in the sea. Okay, Jim sailed in the sea. Okay, second one. These all are my own sentence. You can refer the book also. Book is also having some sentences. Okay. Make a cake with lots of butter. Okay, make a cake with lots of butter. Okay, yes. The third sentence is Jack take a pail of water. Okay, these all are some sentences which are made by myself. You can also try at home by doing these sentences. Okay, children? Yes. The homework is okay. Make 6 sentences Okay, make 6 sentences. Okay, make 6 sentences in your 4 lines book. Okay, same thing using the AI and AE family. You need to make 6 sentences in your 4 lines book. Children, I am not giving a tough homework. You have to learn the making the sentence of your own. Okay, first you tell the sentence to your mama, then she will make the corrections of the grammar. Okay, but you need to learn how to make a sentence. Why? Why? Because next year you are going to first standard. No, there they will not teach you how to make a sentence. Just they will tell, write the notes like that. That time you will suffer a lot, children. So I am giving the sentence to make your own. Try to make. Okay. If any problem is there, your mama will correct. Otherwise, I will only correct when you send the homework to me. Okay. But you have to do your own sentences. Okay. Yes. Then I will expect not to copy the sentence from the textbook or your homework book. In the phonic activity, they have given some sentences. Don't copy the same sentences in your homework. Homework book, you need to do the own sentences that should be from your side only. You can take the help of mama only for the correction. Okay? Yes, no? Today I told you no how to respect your teacher. This is the way you should respect your teacher. Yes? Yes. Okay. The next homework is, as usual, your phonic activity book, page number 11 and 12. Okay, page number 11 and 12. What they are given? Read aloud and write the following sentence. The maid has a big pail. Okay, Tim made a red cape. Kim has to wait in the rain. Kim ate the big cake. You, instead of Kim, you can take your own name there. Okay? Anything you can write, but you need to do the 6 sentences. Look at the picture and write the correct word. Okay? This is the homework for your English. Phonic activity, the page number 11 and 12. Okay, children? Yes. Now we will move to our next concept, that is mathematics. Okay, next concept is maths. Next concept is maths. Okay, yesterday what you learned? The number review from 1 to 40 or 21 to 40 we learned. Today the review of 41 to 50. Okay, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Yes, the number names is FORTY, 40, Okay, like this you need to complete till 50. FIFTY. Okay, you have lot of time, you need to practice all these things. Okay, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, like that till 50 you need to learn the numbers also, then number names also. Okay, I know children, you are so good and you are so clever, you can make it easy. Correct, no? Yes. Okay, today we will do some, I will give the most of the things, I will give the activities to do regarding this 41 to 50. Okay, this is your revising time. First me, these all are your homeworks. Okay, the first one is missing numbers. Okay, the first one is missing numbers. What is that? Okay, I will write one caterpillar here. Yes, one caterpillar. Missing numbers in a caterpillar, that is how we will write. Okay, 41, something is missing here. 43, 44, something is missing here. 47 and 3 blocks are missing. This you need to complete. The second homework is write number names. As usual, you all know where you have to do the homework in your square book. Okay, write number names. 48, 50, 42, 47, 44. Okay, for this you need to write a number name. Okay, yes. The third homework is write numbers. Okay. Okay, what you have to do? Okay, what you have to do? You have to write 49, 43, 46 and 45. The numbers for this. Okay, numbers for this you have to write. This is the third homework. And the fourth homework is, I will, can see, oh yeah, they are given in the book only. Can I have, yes, I'll write the homework here. This is your fourth homework, mathematics readiness book. You all have this mathematics readiness book, right? MR book, yes. In that page number 32 and 33. What they are given there? Match the number name to the correct number. Okay, you need to read the numbers and you need to match the number. 132 in the page number. You have to write the first. You have to write the date. Second, you have to write your name. 33 in that write the number for the corresponding number name. How I given? Like that you have to identify the number name and you have to write the numbers for the in the box. Okay children, you all understood now? In your MR book, page number 32 and 33, first one you need to match the number with the number name. In the 33 page number, you need to write the numbers for the number name. Okay, with that these three homework you have to do in your square book or box book. Okay? Yes. Now we will move to the fourth. It is Hindi. Okay, Hindi, it's our national language. It's essential to learn. Each and everyone has to learn it essential. So, I am only introducing the basic things to you. Okay, what we learned till now? Say, anar. Okay, say, anar. Okay, next one is say children, you also has to tell with me. Okay, say anar, say say ina. Once you come to the school, no, I will ask all these questions, or else I will ask you questions in the Zoom meet. In meet and greet, I will ask the question. You need to tell to me. Okay? Say ik. It's nothing but sugar cane. E. U say ullu. Then u say oon. Correct no? U say oon. Then which letter? Ru. Ru say Rishi. Okay. Next one was A. A say egg. Egg means number 1. In Hindi what we tell? A. Today we are going to learn a new letter, that is A. A say Okay, A से एनक, A से अनार, A से आम, E से इना, E से इक, U से उल्लू, U से ऊन, R से ऋषि, A से एक, A से एनक. एनक ಅಂದ್ರೆ goggles ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಎನಕ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Only I am teaching one letter again and I am telling because it will confuses you. That's why I am taking only one letter. You can learn more letters. Yes, no? Yes. The homework is as usual. Your page number 18 and 19. Okay, children. In the practice book, you need to complete page number 18 and 19. Basic enough. Now we are moving to our EVS class. Yesterday, what we learned in the EVS or in our general science? What we learned? Fresh, I told you no, vegetables are very good for health. In all our food, we will use the vegetables itself. Correct or not? Yes? Yes, in our daily routine, we can use the vegetables by raw or by, yes, by cooked form. Okay? By raw you can eat or by cooked form. How you will eat? How you will eat the raw vegetables? By using it in the salads. Cooked means you will make it hot and you can use in the form of a or curries, in the form of a sambar or in the form of a any liquid. Okay, this is or soup. In the soup we will use this is the cooked form. Okay, yesterday we learned some about root vegetables. Correct? No? What are those root vegetables? Beetroot, radish, turnip, carrot, then what else? Potato, onion, so on. Why it is called a root vegetables? Because this will grow in the soil. Example, if it is a tree, in the roots the vegetables will grow. Okay, that's why it is called a root vegetables. Okay. Okay, on the roots it will grow, so it is called a root vegetables. These are all it contains lots of vitamins and proteins because soil is far from the chemicals. Correct? No, there will be some particles which will deactivize the chemicals. So under the soil it will be very rich in proteins and vitamins. Okay, yesterday I showed you some vegetables, right? These are some vegetables which I showed you: tomato, capsicum, okay, then carrot, brinjal, corn. Okay, these are some vegetables, toy vegetables which I showed you. Okay, yes, okay. Today we will do some conversation in the Tell Me More book. What they are given? They are given all the vegetable names which are the root vegetables. Just identify the root are carrot, radish, beetroot, turnip and potato or some root vegetables. Name the vegetables that you can eat raw. That is tomato, carrot, cucumber, radish, etc. are some vegetables that we can eat raw. Okay, these we will use mostly in the where we will use in our salads. Okay, yes or not? Yes. Okay. Tomorrow before coming to class, you just get the values of these, good values of these, or the important things which are useful from these vegetables. You just learn and come. I will brush up on the same thing. Okay children, just you go through, tell me more book and